The all-new Nissan Patrol is back with a bold presence, and it is not holding back. Launched in the autumn of 2024 alongside the United States version, known as the Armada, this 7th-generation SUV brings fresh energy and sharper character. While the standard model is already exciting, the real showstopper is the upcoming Nismo variant, recently spotted in full form without any camouflage. It is clear that Nissan is ready to elevate performance and design in a big way. This sport-focused Nismo model will look noticeably more aggressive than the base Patrol. It gets a completely new front grille that stretches all the way down to the bottom of the bumper, featuring a unique finish. The front bumper itself is redesigned, with vertical accents on the sides and a red lower lip. True to the Nismo branding, you will see red highlights all around, beneath the side sills, within the rear bumper, on the rear pillar badges, and even on the side mirrors. Nissan also added reshaped decorative elements to the front fenders and wider body-colored wheel arch trims. And yes, there are new wheels too, giving the SUV a planted, muscular look. Under the hood, the new Patrol Nismo is expected to carry over the same 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine found in the standard version. That setup already delivers 425 horsepower and 700 Newton-meters of torque. However, there is a strong chance that Nissan will tweak it slightly to give the Nismo version even more punch. For context, the last generation Patrol Nismo featured a 5.6-liter naturally aspirated V8 that produced 428 horsepower. 28 horsepower more than the regular version. Expect Nissan to give this Nismo version a sportier ride too. The previous Nismo Patrol came with Bilstein dampers, more heat-resistant brakes, and a lower ride height, so similar upgrades are likely here. This SUV will not just look the part, it should also deliver improved handling and responsiveness, especially on pavement. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on performance vehicles like this one.